In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Gmail accounts efficiently. Whether you're juggling personal and work emails, or perhaps maintaining a special account for projects, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's begin by signing into your primary Gmail account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in Gmail's website address, or if you're on a mobile device, simply launch the Gmail app. Once there, log in using your primary email credentials. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's always a good idea to make sure you're not ticking any options for staying signed in if you're concerned about privacy. With your primary account open, we'll now move on to accessing your account settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. It serves as the gateway to multiple Gmail functionalities. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find an option that says Add another account. Click on it. This feature is really great because it allows you to integrate your personal, work, and other email addresses all in one place, minimizing the hassle of logging in and out of multiple accounts throughout the day. After clicking to add another account, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you can either sign into an existing Gmail account or create a brand new one. If you have a second email, just enter your login details. For those of you looking to create a new account, click on Create Account instead. Follow the straightforward instructions provided, ensuring you fill in all the necessary information such as your name, desired email address, and a strong password. Remember, a good password ideally should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've successfully added or created the account, you're all set to switch between them seamlessly. Return to your profile picture or initials at the top right of the Gmail interface. Clicking on it will now display all the accounts you've linked here. Select the one you wish to access by simply clicking on the desired account from the list. This ability to easily toggle between accounts can make a world of difference in your daily digital management. It's extremely helpful for keeping different aspects of your life organized, whether you're at work sorting through important business emails, or at home browsing through your personal inbox. That's it for today's tutorial on managing several Gmail accounts within one unified interface. With these simple steps, you'll navigate your digital life with greater fluidity. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email management experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.